The Australian share market is having a good day with a rise of 0.5%. Gold miners are trading lower, but everything else is trading higher. And it does follow a very positive night on Wall Street, where we did see the S&P 500 up by 1.1% and the technology-based Nasdaq doing even better with a rise of 1.4%. On the Aussie share market, we're watching St Barbara Mines, which is having a horrible session. The shares are down by 27%. It's downgraded its forecast at its Gwalia mine, expecting to see FY19 production at 235 to 240,000 ounces of gold. That's from its previous guidance of 245 to 255,000 ounces of gold. It's also increased its all-in sustaining cost expectations to between 980 to 1,000 Australian dollars an ounce. That's compared to previous forecasts of 930 to 970 Australian an ounce. Production in FY20 will also remain ventilation constrained until the second half of the year, and production in FY20 is expected to be between 200,000 to 220,000 ounces of gold. In its feasibility study, also the preferred option is for a trucking option rather than the hydraulic hoisting options, and shares one of the worst performing on the market today. We're also watching Premier Investments, which has seen net profit up at a record, up by 13%, but the Smiggle expansion has been hit by Brexit. Smiggle sales growth for the half year, the slowest that we've seen in almost a decade, and the target of $450 million worth of sales by 2020 being pushed out to 2021 or 2022 for the Smiggles brand. The Asian sales for Smiggles was strong though, with a rise of 38%, and for the group, total sales was up by 8%, apparel sales up by 7.5%, and online sales up by 35%. We're seeing Premier Investments though down by 0.7% on the market. So all in all, a good way for the market to end the week. Very much a risk on day with gold down, but everything else higher.